Hey boys and girls, today's artwork is going to be a drawing of a dove. Okay, we're gonna use our pencil to draw. If you haven't already gotten a pencil, make sure you have one. Okay, we're going to be drawing, I'm gonna be drawing in crayon. You guys are going to be drawing in pencil. After your pencil, you're gonna follow in crayon. If you're just drawing with me, you're going to stay drawing in pencil and you're going to fill it in with color. So I'm going to start with blue. Okay, if you're drawing in pencil, just start drawing in pencil. So we are going to be drawing a dove for International Peace Day. I'm sorry, International Day of Peace. Okay, that's September 21st. So we're going to do a little activity for it. So we're going to start with a dove wing, okay, boys and girls? So you're going to get your blue and you're going to do a curve line down. So watch my curve before you draw it. Okay, very simple curve. Okay, and then we're going to give ourselves a few more curves inward to look like a wing. So again, watch me draw it before you draw it. Okay, curve. Curve. I'm building off of each curve to make the wing. And I'm going a little halfway down my page. More than halfway. Okay. Now we're going to give ourselves a head. Okay. So this is going to be another curve. Please watch my curve before you draw it. And it goes out. This is going to be for the beak. We're doing a very simple line drawing for our dove for International Day of Peace. Okay, we're gonna touch that end again and we're gonna give ourselves another curve. All the way down and out. Again, you're watching before you draw, guys. It's very important for you to follow directions. And then we're gonna meet these two, but we're gonna give ourselves a few more curves. So you're gonna curve out. And then right here is where you give yourself a wavy line. Okay, to meet it. Very simple dove. I'm going to draw a second wing now. Pay attention. If you're talking, you need to stop talking. Okay, curve down and in right there. Okay, that's our second wing. We're going to give ourselves two more curves. Two more curves. Okay, for our other second wing. Okay. Now, if you're drawing with me with pencil, keep drawing with pencil. Those of you that are using your crayon already, we're going to use our white now. Okay, with our white, we're going to go along here and we're going to draw a few curves to emphasize our wings. Okay, guys? So I'm just going to give myself a C right here. It's going to go down. Okay? And then I'm going to give these areas some white lines too. And I'm just going against the blue, very near it. Very near the blue. It's even grabbing some of the blue, which looks very nice with the crayon. We're going to do the same thing to the other wing. Same thing right here. Moving back and forth to make these lines. Back and forth to make these lines. And one more right here by the body. I'm starting right here and I'm basically just filling in the belly right here with white. Okay, then I'm going to be using my yellow. And I'm going to start at the bottom of the wings right here. And in between the curves that you made so that everybody looks different, you're going to do lines out all the way to the bottom of your page. Okay, and then we're gonna just follow it around. Okay. And I'm not thinking too much about the space. Just give yourself some space in between each line. Straight lines. Okay, if you're just drawing with me, this is the end of our drawing. You're going to fill in your background with color using crayon now. And you are done with your drawing. Fill in your drawing with lots of color to emphasize these lines out. You can fill each end, each little ray of light that you put in with different colors.